गार्लिक डोसा करेगा।
क्या लिखा है?
अरे यार गलत गलत कर दिया है।
गार्लिक डोसा का ये
हाँ
ऊंद मसाला, गार्लिक मसाला।
और अब फिर तो 2 डोसा हो गए।
3 लोग हैं हम लोग। हम 2 में 2 खा जाते और ये सब भी खा जाते। इडली में भी मिनी इडली में कांदा और टमाटो डाला होता है।
अरे पर एकदम से क्या हो जाता है, ज़्यादा उस दिन भी हमने जैसे क्या ज़्यादा ऑर्डर कर दिया, एक्साइटमेंट में ऑर्डर ज़्यादा हो जाता है।
बात करने पापा ने डैडी पप्पा वहां तुझे बात करनी ठीक है हां पिन शेयरिंग में फटाफट वही लाऊंगी क्या है मशीन तो मुझे फटाफट एक ट्राई करूंगी
नहीं आ रही थी कोई था नहीं पड़ेगा
चालू तो है कोई नहीं आवेली तो वन्ने बनावर वीडियो नहीं चालू रखते भाई कोई नहीं आवेली वन्ना
मैंने नहीं कहा पड़ी है
तो कोई नहीं आवेली
फोटो नहीं आ रही है
तो वन्ने वीडियो नहीं चालू रखते भाई
रंग का वीडियो चालू करो जैन are you in Zoom?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Good morning.
Good morning. I'll give to him.
Hello, Gaitonde.
Yes, 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 sir.
Can
Good morning.
you hear me?
Yeah, properly. See,
Achha,
all we have to keep it mute. Okay.
Okay.
So,
okay.
so only the Avigna people will present themselves, and
Okay.
certain things I will introduce. But that's all.
Okay. Uday is
after-
also going to speak.
No. Uday will be there. Uday will be there. Only.
Okay.
He must have come. Yeah, Uday will be there.
He is seen on the screen. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, good morning everyone.
Good morning, Uday.
उदय भाई
क्यों
चलो जल्दी हो जाने दो भाई
हाँ हो जाएगी
बस ठीक है नेक्स्ट जून के पहले सब होना चाहिए
डन
All the best, God group. Whoever is going to speak, all the best to you all.
yes
Okay, Dalvi sahib. Good morning.
Thank you. I am attending meeting. Huh?
Yeah. Please.
Gaitonde, can you ask you one personal question?
हाँ. पूछो ना.
What is the secret of your cheerfulness all the day?
अरे माय गॉड अभी मैं पर्सनली बोलता हूँ मैं प्राइवेटली मिलेगा तभी बोलता हूँ नॉट नाउ
Let others know that others can also become cheerful like you.
yeah everybody is cheerful here everybody
Okay, go ahead. Good luck. Bye.
thank you
Gladys has joined. Gladys,
yeah
hi.
yeah she is the host now she is the host today
Okay, very good. Gladys, how many members have joined till now? You have any idea?
42.
42. Very good, lovely. Narona, bye-bye. Hi.
उदय,
Yes, sir.
उन लोगों को बोलो ना आने के लिए, अविघ्ना वालों को।
रोहित
ने क्यों नहीं चालू कर से? तुम्हें क्यों तेरा चालू कर से रोहित?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Am I audible and visible to all of you?
Yes,
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 yes.
yes, yes.
Great. Has Mr. Dugarwalji also joined us?
Yeah, I'm there, Rohit.
Great, sir. So a very warm welcome and a very good morning to all the respected members of Blue Arc Society.
Introduce, sir. Introduce yourself.
Yes, sure. So myself, Rohit Oswal, and I'm heading the sales and marketing from Avighna Group. And
Okay,
I'm
good.
sure after this meeting of us and after we conclude on things, we are going to meet a lot.
Yeah. See, today's is only presentation,
Yeah.
and questions will be asked later on.
Yeah,
Later on
definitely,
means
definitely.
in subsequent meetings. Okay.
Sure.
Today
so
only
today's
you have
agenda
to-
is, I would like to give you a brief understanding about, what Avighna is, how
Yeah.
we do our work, and
Yeah.
what we have achieved to just to boost the confidence of all
Yeah,
our
you can
members.
start. You can start.
Yeah?
You can start. Yeah.
So I'll just upload a presentation on the screen so that all
Good.
of us can see, and we can just take it forward from there on. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Just give me a moment.
Yeah.
Who is the host in this? Who's the host of this particular meeting? Because he has to allow me to do a screen sharing.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that,
Madam,
I'll do that.
Gladys, madam.
That's me.
Allow him.
1 minute. Screen content.
Rohit, I think you will need to just send me a request to share the screen and I can allow you then.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Can you? I think you will have to send me a request to share the screen and then I can give you a permission.
Yeah, I've already shared. I've already requested you. So it is showing me host disabled participant screen sharing. So you'll have to just enable it.
Share the screen. You want to screen. I'm the host.
नुपुर देख लो क्या हो रहा है.
कर रहे.
Okay.
If this host can make you host, Rohit.
Yeah, he can make me host.
Rohit, I have changed the settings. Can you just try to share the screen now?
Yeah, let me try once again. Yeah. Yeah, is the screen visible to all of you all?
Yes, yes.
Can I start? Should I begin? Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
you can.
Okay, great. So let me give you a brief background about Avigna. English is fine, right, for all of us?
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
no problem.
in today's time and age, where we see that the real capacity of any business, is always defined by its financial strength, we at Avigna are proud to announce that we are one of the very few real estate developers who is 100% debt free. Now, this brings a lot of responsibility on a developer like Avigna to not only launch projects, but also complete it on time. Now that gives an additional responsibility not to extend very far. There are developers who takes up 10, 12 projects at a time and all of them, goes for a toss. We at Avigna believe in taking up maximum 2 to 3 projects at a time and have a very focused and a sharp approach on each of our projects. Now, be it any sort of development, whether you want to develop a mill land, whether you want to do a SRA development or a society rehab, the experience of the developer counts a lot. And we have the biggest weapon of being in the industry for the past 20 years. And that brings a lot of strength on the table and a lot of confidence for anyone, for any sort of a stakeholder, be it the internal employees or be it the stakeholders like you, society members. Now, we not only have experience in commercial, but we have also developed mixed use projects. Now, just to tell you, Avigna Estate, which is in the eastern side of Lower Parel, is one of the first cluster redevelopment project which has been delivered in Mumbai. Now, along with it, the commitment on time has played a very, very important role for the brand Avigna to really rise up the pyramid. Now, we believe on timely delivery, and it is not only for one of the projects, but it has been on time, as we say, every time, be it a residential project, commercial project, or rehabilitating the already existing occupiers of any society. Our total development size has been till now around 3.7 million square feet, which is 37 lakh square feet. And our footprint has not only been in South Bombay, but if you see the map on the left-hand side, it has been across the length and breadth of Mumbai. Starting from Walkeshwar, going up till Borivali, we have delivered projects in every region of Mumbai. That speaks a lot about the strength of the developer. Now, who has been behind all these wonderful developments? The true visionary and the promoter of our group, Mr. Kailash K. Agarwal, who is also the chairman of Avigna Group. Now, I just talk about the humble beginnings of Mr. Kailash Agarwal. After working for 8 years under Ashok Birla Group, being just a commerce graduate, the entrepreneurial bug bit him, and he then ventured into the UAE markets back in 1982 and started providing shipping solutions to all the European countries and the Asian markets where the demand was rising like anything. He has a total experience of around 40 years around and across the globe, around and across all the industries, be it shipping, be it export, import, be it finance, be it real estate. Moving on to our next promoter, whom we also call the captain of the ship, Mr. Nishant Agarwal, the managing director of Avigna Group. He has been a truly, truly global citizen. Studied in USA, did in master's finance from prestigious university like MIT Sloan. He has also lived in Switzerland and Dubai. That brings a lot of new ideas, lot of vision, lot of exposure from across the world right into the city of Mumbai. Before, entering into the business, he first, had his hand dirty by working into the biggest groups which is present across the world. If you talk about Citigroup, he has worked and took experience. He has also worked for ICICI Ventures. His biggest strength lies in that he has a very, very slim, trim team. He has not more than 100 employees, and all of these employees are masters in their craft. He has successfully executed India's first cluster redevelopment project, which is the Avigna Estate, again, Lower Parel East. Moving on to the advisory board. Now, these are the names to reckon with in any industry. Mr. Praveen Dikshit, who is retired DGP of Maharashtra, ex-IPS. Ms. Renuka Ramnath, who needs no introduction, founder and CEO of multiple assets and formerly the CEO of ICICI Ventures. Mr. TP Ostwal, managing partner, TP Ostwal and Associates LLP. Mr. KD Gopal Krishnan, MD LMEC Group UAE. And now this guy has seen, Dubai developing, not only Dubai, all the Emirate cities and countries in the Middle East. Mr. V. Rajkumar, the senior business consultant in real estate. Mr. Sailesh Vaidya, partner at Kanga and Company, which is again one of the biggest companies in India. Mr. Ghansham Das, ex-senior advisory at KPMG. Now introducing to the core team, whom I'm sure you are going to interact a lot with. Mr. Rajendra Dungarwal, who is also a part of this particular presentation. He heads our investments and bring a lot of experience on the table, working for the last 30 years in multiple projects across industries. He has been a part of real estate, retail industry, consumer durables. Moving on to Mr. Nand Kishore Saraf. He has been heading the finance department from the scratch, I would say. From the time the company has come into existence, he has been a part of Avigna Group. Mr. Lalit Rungta, he is heading the entire operations and planning team, has more than 40 years of experience and brings a lot of value onto the table, be it purchase, finance, or project execution. Mr. Amitava Chaudhary, he heads our projects and civil team. He has recently joined our company. It's been more than 12 months now. And he has a lot of experience working for truly real estate giants or construction giants, I would say companies like Capacite for the last 25 years. Now, let me introduce you to the most interesting part of Avigna Group, which is the body of our work. Now, this gives you a lot of confidence that what Avigna is capable of. Now, just to begin with the recent projects, our most recent project has been Avigna House, which is at Worli. I'm sure most of you guys would have seen it. It's bang onto the Annie Besant Road, just adjacent to the ICICI Bank. Now, this project has been, started in 2019, and I'm proud to say that coming in 2021, in the month of October, we have topped up all the slabs and the finishing work is going on. The total constructed area is 1.9 lakh square feet. One Avigna Park, which is truly the feather on our cap. This is one of the biggest projects what Mumbai or maybe India would have seen. It is almost around 2 million square feet and delivered in 2016. This is remarkably a truly luxurious project in every sense. I would give you some more glimpse into one Avigna Park as we proceed down the presentation. Avigna 9, also a part of Avigna Estate, being into existence for more than 2 years and a total constructed area of 7.4 lakh square feet. Apart from this, Nishika Terraces, which is the place where our promoters also reside. Now, this is a landmark building in Mumbai. I'm sure anyone staying in Mumbai would have seen this structure or would have known this structure. It is bang on to the Worli Sea Face Road, the Ghaffar Khan Road, what we call, as you come out from the sea link. Advent Atria, which is in Malad, delivered in 2010. Advent Plaza, which is a project in Andheri, Yashika Apartments in Villeparle, Satlaj Terraces in Walkeshwar, and Yashika Residences in Borivali, all having a development capacity of more than 10-15,000 square feet. Now let me take you into One Avigna Park. Whatever pictures you see on the screen right now in front of you are the actual images taken on the site. These are not the renders what you see. The left-hand side is the elevation of our building, which is 61 story. And the right-hand side is just the inside of the apartments. You might feel that these are the amenities. No, but it is the part of the apartment. So in this particular project, we have delivered exclusive 3-bed, 4-bed, and 5-bed residences. And the USP of these projects or these apartments is every apartment has its own private sun deck and a plunge pool. 1.5 lakh square feet of only amenity level, which is spread across 3 areas, 3 levels. I mean, 1.5 lakh square feet is nowadays the total construction site or the construction development of the entire building. But we have delivered this much amount of square foot only into the amenity area. In the entire project, we have around 19 elevators and more than 1,000 car parking space. Just talking about the elevators, we have Toshiba on board, and trust me, they are the best when it comes to the elevator business. And we are proud to say that we have been their first customers in India back in 2011-12, when no one was looking at Toshiba, and it's a Japanese company, it's a truly global company. Toshiba would not lead its services to in any of the residential project. They were only interested in commercial. But yes, we brought them on board, and now we proudly announce about its services. This particular project has won more than 40 international and national awards. I would just give you a glimpse of all the awards, in the latest slide. Now look at this picture. You might feel that this is an image which we have just, captured from Google, but no, this is actually the lobby of One Avigna Park. Look at the grandness. This is the chandelier which has been with us for the past 4 years. And this chandelier has been recorded into the Limca Book of World Records. Now, what is the khasiyat of this particular chandelier is that this chandelier has this crystal balls. If you see, there are more than 56,000 of these crystal balls, and they have been all imported from Egypt. Now, the length of this particular chandelier or this particular crystal ball is more than 2.9 kilometers. Now, this speaks a lot on our stress on truly luxury products. This is one of the images shot in one of our apartments. This is straight from the 53rd floor of our building, which is a 5-bedroom apartment with ready interiors. Now, this is for y'all to absorb and digest that these are the kind of apartments what we have delivered in One Avigna Park. This is one of the image of the master bedrooms from the 5 BHK apartment in One Avigna Park. Trust me, this is a master bedroom, and this is not the entire apartment. This is just the master bedroom. And look at the value of amenities what we have given in this particular project. You might feel that this is a 7-star resort. Yes, we call it as a resort amenity, but yes, this is also a part of One Avigna Park. You name an amenity and you would find it in One Avigna Park. This is the entire toddlers area, which we have delivered in One Avigna Park, right from tree houses to artificial statues of wild animals, to tough areas, football areas, cricket areas. You ask for it and you have it in your project. In the project, we have also have a Jain Derasar. If you look at the entire structure of Derasar, I would like to talk on this for 2 minutes. most of these real estate developers, they get in the Derasar thing, but when it comes to delivery, it's a really small Derasar or a mandir what they deliver. But our promoter, Mr. Kailash Agarwal, from the day one, he was very clear that if we want to construct a mandir, a Derasar, it has to be the size and scale of any tirth. You observe this particular Derasar, you truly feel that you are not a part of any society, but you are in one of the tirth stan. On the right hand side, you would see a lot of indoor amenities. This is a banquet hall, which can beat any of our 7-star, 5-star hotel banquet halls, be it a Four Seasons banquet hall or a Palladium banquet hall. It has a capacity of more than 500 people floating, and you can have most of your family functions. You can also have your engagement functions, and some of the clients have also conducted their marriage reception function. This is a huge theater which has more than 24-seater capacity. And trust me, the residents enjoy a lot during IPL season, during football season. You can book this theater beforehand, and you can have your family members, your friends coming and enjoying your, maybe it's a wedding cassette, maybe it's an engagement cassette, and the entire family can have a get together. This particular area is the spa area, the salon area, what we have in our property. And as you look down on the outdoor amenities, this is the turf area, which could be doubled as a cricket pitch as well as a football turf. This is the seating area, which is there along with the pool side. And this is the toddlers play area. Let me introduce you to the awards and recognitions what Avigna Park has got and why we call it as the true benchmark of luxury. Look at the kind of awards what we have got, and these are not only Indian awards, but these are international awards. Best High-Rise International, which we have received on a year-on-year basis, right from 2012, 2013, 2014 in the International Property Award, London. Best High-Rise Development, again, International Property Award, London, which goes up to 2016. And other awards from Hindustan Times. National Achievement Awards for Health and Safety and Environment from the Vishwakarma Awards. Best in Ultra Luxury segment by CNBC Awards, and so on and so forth. The biggest thing what we also talk about when it comes to One Avigna Park, that One Avigna Park is one of the very few developments which has received a platinum rating by India Green Building Council, IGBC. Most of the developers would not even know what IGBC is, but we have received a platinum rating. Now, what consequences this kind of award has for the society members or for the developer in general? Now, this kind of rating gives you a 2.5% deduction on your property tax. Now, why does that happen? Basically, these kind of awards are received only by those developers or those developments which has adhered to the best practices when it comes to construction from the environment side, be it the STP, the sewage treatment recycling plant, which has a capacity of more than 10 lakh liters of water day on day. If you look at the lobby, the common lift lobby of any of our floors, it does not have those LED lights or it does not have those air conditions. It has natural ventilation and sunlight coming in that reduces a lot of power consumption. So this not only reduces your maintenance, but also reduces your dependence on electricity. And that's why, you are always talking about green buildings and green norms. So this kind of certification plays a very big role when it comes about choosing what sort of development a client should get into. And we are proud to announce that we have received the platinum rating in IGBC. Now, let me take you to our partners, our consultants, whom we have tied up from across the world. Now, these are the names to reckon with when it comes to any of our areas, where it is, WSP, which is the company giving you structural engineering advice. It comes straight from New York. Now, New York has been the pioneer, the US has been the pioneer when it comes to construction and high-rise developments. Let's talk about Belt Collins, which is a landscape architect coming from Singapore. I mean, these guys have delivered some of the biggest green areas in Singapore, whether it's vertical gardens or horizontal gardens. They are the best in the class and the best in the industry. Now, if you look at the elevation of Avigna Park, I'm sure most of you would have seen the building, if not from inside, but at least from the outside. There is a particular sort of lighting formation when you look at the building in the evening time. Now, thanks to a company like DHA Design, which has come straight from UK, which gives this unique elevation to our building when it comes to the evening time, and the entire building is lit up like there is a Diwali every day. Next company is Godrej and Boyce. Again, we don't need to introduce Godrej. We all are Indians and we have always trusted the brands like Godrej. A company like BMT Fluid Mechanics, which specializes in wind tunnel. One day when we meet in Avigna, I would definitely like to take you in the wind tunnels, what we have delivered in Avigna Park. And then you understand the actual, the actual hugeness and the niceness of the wind tunnels. To construct this mammoth structure, we couldn't definitely, tie with any of our local contractors. We had to get the best in the industry from across the world. And Simplex is one of the biggest names when it comes to high-rise and mammoth structure. So they have been with us for the entire civil and allied works. The next partner is LMAC UAE, which is whose MD is also a part of the advisory board of Avigna Group. They bring their expertise in the mechanical, plumbing, and electrical area. And Toshiba Japan, the best in class when it comes to elevators. These are all high-speed elevators giving you a speed of more than 2.5 meters per second. That means from ground floor, if you want to reach up to the 61st floor, it does not take you more than 30 seconds. And when it comes to concrete, cement, Ultratech, coming from the Birla Group, we don't need to really, give an introduction about Birla Group. Schuko, which has given the entire window system and the facade system. When it comes to engineering, there is no other or a better country than Germany. So these kind of partners, to get them, to tie up with them and get them on the board for one particular project, you can understand the vision of our promoter, the strength of our promoter, and the honesty in truly delivering a product which is luxury in all the formats. Talking about our next project, Avigna 9, which is just next to One Avigna Park. Now, this is a 35-story building. It has exquisite 2.5 BHKs, 3 BHKs, 4 BHKs, and very limited edition duplex apartments. The entire building has received OC, and the residents are already living in this particular building. It also has an exclusive clubhouse with multiple amenities. And of course, it is a part of Avigna estate. Now, these are some of the renders of Avigna 9 duplex. As you see, best in class. Even a project like Avigna 9, the floor to ceiling height is more than 13 feet. Now, this is truly remarkable. None of the projects in Mumbai has a floor to ceiling height of more than, I would say 10 feet. But for a duplex project in Avigna 9, we have given floor to ceiling height of 13 feet here, 13 feet on the upper level. And the cutout, what you see, it gives you a height of 27 feet. So you truly get a bungalow feel when you are in this particular apartment. Now, this is a render of a regular 3-bedroom apartment. Look at the space, look at the designing, look at the entire interiors part of it, the views, the sunlight coming into the apartment, the fresh breath of air which comes into the apartment, truly remarkable. Few more renders of the apartment. Now, this is the lobby of Avigna 9, where you have 2 beds and 3 beds. I'm sure most of you guys who have been living, in societies where you have 2 beds and 3 beds, none of y'all would have seen a lobby which is so humongous, which is so huge, and at such a level of luxury. I mean, these kind of lobbies normally developers intend to give you when you have a product, size, ticket size starting from 10 CR onwards. But this building has a ticket size of not more than 4 CR, and this is the lobby what you get. Truly amazing. This speaks a lot on the honesty of the developer, where he intends to give you a product which is luxury in the true sense. This is the clubhouse of Avigna 9, where you have all your internal amenities and the external part, as you see, that's this poolside area. This is on the 10th level. Now look at the amenities of Avigna 9. So we always call Avigna 9 as the younger brother of Avigna Park. So we intend to give you all the amenities what you have in Avigna Park in Avigna 9 also, but proportionately the size would differ. Now this is the banquet hall, no less than a 5-star banquet hall. This is the poolside area, which is a huge area where you have a lap pool, a kids pool, and the entire walking jogging track which takes you over and above the poolside area. The length and breadth of this particular walking jogging track is more than 250 meters. That means if you take 4 rounds of this particular track, you almost complete 1 kilometer of your walk. This is the area where your children can play football. They can also play cricket. And this is the area for the toddlers, for kids around 3 years or 4 years. This is the massage area or the spa area. Let me give you a quick story behind this. This particular amenity was never planned in our project. None of our brochures will talk about the spa area. But as we always say, Mr. Nishant, he thought that at the end, we need to give a nice little surprise to our residents who have booked with us. And that's how, he thought that let's give a spa also. When you have almost every amenity, why not to give you a spa? And so we had to obviously incur an additional cost, and we thought that let's give the client the best, and we came up with the spa. Look at the gym. It's a double-heighted gym with all the instruments already up and working. The residents enjoy a lot. These kind of gyms are not found in most of the bigger projects also. This is the meeting area, what you get on the ground floor lobby of Avigna 9. And this is again the toddlers area. All these amenities, all these areas are up and running, which is the biggest thing for any resident. To show onto the paper, to show onto the brochure is one thing, but to deliver and have the clients using them and experiencing them is another thing. Let me take you to our commercial portfolio. Avigna House, formerly Indage House, which is right in your area, Worli. It's an 18-story commercial building, a commercial tower. If you look at the entire elevation of this particular building, it is not like your regular, glass box structure. If you look, most of the commercial buildings, be it in BKC or in Lower Parel, most of them has this glass structure. But as we say, the experience and the vision of our promoters, when they have traveled in cities like New York, when they have traveled in cities like Singapore, where most of the buildings have this stone-like elevation, which truly gives it a heritage look. Now, this building doesn't look like a new building. It looks like a heritage structure where you have this granite stone being cladded onto the entire elevation and these casement type windows. Now, this is the biggest USP of Avigna House. The next big thing is this particular tower is not for sale. It is only on lease basis for the elitist of our clients. We are looking for some of the top-notch profiles from across industry, and they have to be really big MNCs. Now, this particular project has been designed by company Talati and Partners, and each of these building has a floor plate which is open from all the 4 sides. Now, just to give you the entire idea on our timelines, this is 2019 when the Indage House existed, 2019. In February, we started with the demolition and excavation work. In April, as you see, we progressed, the excavation work is completed. By May 2019, the plinth, the rafting work is done. By September 2019, half of the structure is ready. By May, you see that the structure is growing and it is coming up pretty fast. And by Feb 2021, all the slabs were casted, and this is a present day, which is still work in progress. Now, mind you, sir, mind you, all the members, this entire construction took place when we were in the COVID times. Now, to deliver, to construct in those difficult times was a big task and challenge, but our promoters pulled them off. You know, there was an article in the newspaper also that Avigna had flew around 150 laborers from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar and brought them in Bombay, just so that, you know, the construction work is not hampered. The work goes on. These are a few of the renders of Avigna House. The Talati and Pantaki landmark. The reception or the lobby area of Avigna. The office areas. Yeah. And by this, I bring an end to the entire presentation. I would now request Mr. Rajendra Dungarwal ji to take on further from here on. Rajendra sir. Hello.
हाँ वो पोस्ट ने ये कर रखा है ना। हाँ अभी हो गया, मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन लगा दूँ। Rohit, can I request to put up the slides which we have made? Good morning, everybody. Gaitonde Sahab and all Blue Arc Society members. Thank you, Rohit, to take through us the experience and richness of the projects and deliveries and all. So you have done my work bit easier to explain that what we can deliver and what we can do now. I request you to just put up a presentation.
Thank you. Dungarwalji, you can start now.
हेलो, हाँ हो गया, स्क्रीन चल रहा। जी हाँ कर।
Now I am unmuted. Huh? Hello, Dongarwalji, you can start now.
Yeah. Yeah. So next slide, please. Yeah, about the Blue Arc Cooperative Housing Society, it is in Fort Bungalow, Andheri West. You are all well aware about this. And the area of plot is 6554.38 square meter. And road width is 9 meter. And 121 people are staying, you can say tenants are there in the society. This is the Google picture of the plot where this plot is marked. Next. This blue line which you see is the CRZ line. Now CRZ policies has been relaxed, and we may not require the notification have come. So, and although we are doing the cluster development, so CRZ permission may not be required. So this will be a bit easier for us to take on this project. Next. The plot is a substantial size, and it is locality is high premium locality, but there is a road setback and narrow road, plus there is a traffic school disturbances are there, and so the most important weakness is this: there is the height restriction. So putting a plan into this plot area is a bit challenge. So that we'll see. Then opportunity, of course, there, because infrastructure and connectivities are there. Metro is coming out very near to this location, and we have small flats, so we can make good this thing. So offer from Avigna is next slide. Additional area which we are planning to provide is 36% on existing carpet area, and corpus fund which we are giving will be 750 rupees per square feet on existing carpet area. And next. And we will be providing hello. आप slide change करते हैं. हाँ, ये क्या हुआ? नहीं बट दिख नहीं रहा मुझे स्क्रीन. मुझे दिखाया था सबका फोटो दिख.
Any problem, sir?
Just hold on. Yes.
Yes.
Rohit, you allow me to put up the presentation otherwise. Yeah, okay. So एक slide पहले. Yeah, rent is 75 rupees per square foot on existing area. And we intend to complete this project in 24 months. Next. And shifting to and fro allowances will be given as 20,000 rupees per member, and brokerage per year 1 month rent. Next. the first appearance is the best appearance. So this attractive main gate, which will be providing. Next. Then grand entrance lobby. Next. Luxurious living rooms. Spacious bedrooms. Modern kitchen, because most of the time ladies are in the kitchen only. So it's a good modern facilities. Then systematic parking. Terrace garden. The amenities. Then meditation center. Kids play area. Senior citizen sit-outs and fitness center. These are the things which we plan to provide in the existing area, which is, and we are working out the plan as per the policies and the height restrictions. With the height restriction, whatever is possible, we'll provide. Jogging track, meditation area. That's then what and why we are looking for Avigna means Blue Art Society can take any developer, but why they should choose Avigna is the next slide. That we have this Rohit rightly explained everything in his presentation, that we have specialization in development, we have good experience and good track record of completion projects in time, we have financial capability to complete project in time, we have skilled and experienced manpower to take on any kind of challenge and project, and we have quality construction all the time, which is shown by the Rohit in his presentation, and which can be visibly you can see and you can watch our developments. Then Avigna is known for consistency. Whatever project we deliver in the time, and rather in time, I say that we complete before time, and we take this challenge that to complete in a restricted time period. Means project may be completed in 2-3 years, but we take time, first challenging time, and then complete within that challenging time. And as we are taking up good projects, and we are delivering good quality, and our relationship contacts are good, so we can get all the permissions in time from all the authorities. So other builders builds the houses, but Avigna will build the dream house, which is the promise we can give to the society. And we also reiterate that we can deliver projects in time with quality and consistency. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rohit. Yeah, now Gayatri Sahab, we want to hand over to you. Now you can take it up forward.
Gaitonde sir is just joining in a minute. He just dropped out of the meeting due to some technical issue.
Is the meeting still on?
Yes, the meeting is still on.
सर कैलाश अग्रवाल जी सर कुछ बात करना चाह रहे थे तो जरा उनको अनम्यूट कीजिए और वो बात करेंगे 2 मिनट।
Yes, sir. We will do that, sir. Wait a minute, sir. Everyone, wait a minute. Mr. Kailash Agarwal will speak to you for a few minutes.
हाँ झालं जा. Hello.
Gaitonde साहब. Hello, Gaitonde जी.
Yeah, good morning to everybody. I am the chairman of the group. Can you hear me, all of you? Any of the hosts?
Yes, sir.
can
Yes,
say
sir.
yes?
We can hear you.
Okay. Good morning to you. I was going through this presentation given by my people. I wanted to see how they are presenting the things. See, we may not be very good in presentation and other things, but we know what we are delivering at the time and the quality product. What I have discussed when I came to your society also, that time also I have given the same confidence to the society committee members especially, that we will deliver on time and with all permission at the soonest. So now, if any particular you want to understand, the host can ask me. I'll be able to reply you immediately.
Sir, one question from one of our members is that see North Star में आपका stake बहुत कम है करके, so just we need explanation for that.
No, let me explain you.
हाँ.
This is the subsidiary. North Star is the subsidiary of Niche Developers. And
Okay.
Niche Developers, we are owning 100%. But as the only one company cannot own the 100%, we have to give some 0.2% or 1% to another member also. So that 0.2% has been shown separately to the family members of Kailash Agarwal only. There is no outsider. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Owned by us. And let me be very clear.
Yeah.
It's a zero debt company. Not a single rupee even has been borrowed by us from anybody, neither from the bank, nor neither from the outside.
Okay, thank
we
you,
have
sir.
completed a project of 5,000 crores. Entire was without single penny taken from anybody. We have completed the building, everything. And for information, this Mil Mazdoor people who were staying there, my tenants, they have been rehabilitated in maximum 13 months. I have completed in 11 months, another 2 months for them to shift there. In 13 months, they were completed because this project was 65-story tower earlier, which we reduced to 62.
Okay.
That we have taken our time because in between 2012, there was a change in the regulation. We completed this 51-story tower in maximum, I think, 2 years. But after in 2012, because we started in 2010, In 2012, the Mr. Subodh Kumar, the new municipal commissioner, and Prithviraj Chauhan, chief minister, they came up with the new policy which disturbed us for 2 years. So that project has delayed us, but the people from whom we have taken the plot, we were the owner of this mill.
Yeah. Hello. We can't hear you properly, sir. Some network problem. We can't hear you properly. Some network problem. We can't hear you. Hello. Kailash, sir, are you there?
No, he has dropped out of the meeting due to network maybe. Let's wait.
It's okay. It's okay. See, other members of Avigna group, I am requesting you. See, this is the presentation which you have given. You have nicely done or given all the presentation, all the details. Kailash sir could talk more because of the some network problem. Now we will stop here, and whenever our society decides to invite you at our society, and then we will have all the questions and all the explanations from you. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you all the team. Thank you so much. Thank you all
I'll
members.
just ask whether he's joining back or not, and then we will.
Yeah. Please. Yeah, please.
सर आप ज्वाइन कर रहे हो वापस?
ये क्यों लग रहा है?
हाँ, वो आवाज नहीं आ रही थी आपको। तो ये बोल रहे हैं या तो फिर अपन जब वापस मिलेंगे तब फिर डिटेल क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। अगर आप अभी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं तो अभी रुकें। हाँ, he is joining just now.
Okay, fine. यू अनम्यूट मी किया अनम्यूट किया, उसको भी अलाउ करो लेने के लिए, और आता है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो बंद करो।
हेलो एवरीवन, हेलो नहीं कर पाओगे, लाइन पे से करना। ट्राई करो, अदरवाइज फिर हम लोग बाद में देखते हैं। गायत्री साहब को आप फोन कर लो, कोशिश करता हूँ दूसरी लाइन पे से देने के लिए।
क्या हो गया, नहीं आ रहे क्या उदय जी? मैं बात नहीं कर सकता हूँ। हेलो, अनम्यूट करो, अनम्यूट। हाँ,
नहीं कनेक्शन नहीं मिल रहा था, तो उन्होंने मुझे फोन किया था, तो मैं स्पीकर पे लेने का कोशिश कर रहा था, मगर नहीं हो रहा है, फिर एको हो रहा है साउंड।
सो मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, और एक बार अभी रूबरू मीटिंग बुलाएंगे तभी बात करेंगे ना, देयर नो प्रॉब्लम। सी ओनली उन्होंने इतना ही बोलना है कि हमारा प्रोजेक्ट कभी तक वो कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं। सो मेन थिंग ये वो है कि वो उतना ही बताया तो बहुत हो गया। और दूसरा कुछ क्वेश्चन है ना, जब यहाँ आएंगे तभी हम लोग पूछेंगे उनको।
ठीक है, वो तो आई थिंक राजेंद्र साहब भी आंसर दे सकते हैं। अगर अविग्ना विल टेक द प्रोजेक्ट लेते हैं तो व्हाट विल बी द टाइम लिमिट दे विल फिनिश द प्रोजेक्ट बेसिकली।
जैसे हमने ऑलरेडी बोला था प्रेजेंटेशन में कि 24 मंथ्स में हम कंप्लीट करके दे देंगे रिएप का।
दैट इज मैक्सिमम।
या
ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है। तो बाकी सब टर्म्स कंडीशन जब भी हम लोग जो वापस रूबरू मिलेंगे तभी बात करेंगे। अभी उनको ज्वाइन होने के लिए प्रॉब्लम होता है तो वी विल एंड द मीटिंग हियर, नो प्रॉब्लम।
बिकॉज़ ही इज नॉट इन द इंडिया बेसिकली, ही इज
हाँ, ही इज आउटसाइड ना, इसके लिए। ठीक है,
नॉट एन इशू, विल स्पीक इन सम अदर टाइम्स। हम कभी दूसरे टाइम ले लेते हैं उनको लाइन पे, और जब बाद में मिलेंगे तभी हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर डिटेल में ले लेंगे।
यस यस यस
ओके सर।
यस, उदय जी आप बताइए। हेलो,
हाँ बोलिए ना सर।
आप बताओ ना उनको। हाँ, हम लोग shall I end this meeting because everybody is waiting ना? Shall I end this? end करो।
जो भी क्वेश्चन देना हम लोग राइट
नहीं, वो सब पहले ही बोला है।
कर सकते हो,
Nobody will ask any questions. नहीं, तो already we have told members nobody will ask any questions. अभी क्या इनको सुनने का था, हम लोग सुन लिया है। we will stop it, क्योंकि उनको आने के लिए अगर उधर से प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, सो जब भी यहाँ आएंगे तभी जो मीटिंग तो है, तभी वो टाइम पे we can have question answers. ओके, बराबर। उदय जी आप बताइए, वो जरा उनसे बात करो।
यस यस यस, बता दूंगा, मैं बात करके ले लेता हूँ उनको, नो प्रॉब्लम। वो जब
तो मैं स्टॉप करूँ क्या चालू रखूँ, क्या करूँ?
यस, स्टॉप कर सकते हो, कोई बंदा नहीं है।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू राजेंद्र जी, थैंक यू।
ओके सर, थैंक यू ऑल,
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच।
ओके ओके सर, बाय बाय।